Did you know that one of history's greatest philosophical movements was born from a complete financial disaster? Zeno of Citium was a wealthy Phoenician merchant sailing the Mediterranean with a fortune in purple dye. This precious cargo could buy mansions, but in 300 BC, a violent storm destroyed everything. His ship sank near Athens. His wealth vanished beneath the waves. Sitting broke and desperate in the Athenian marketplace, Zeno wandered into a small bookstore. There he discovered the teachings of Socrates and other philosophers. As he read, something clicked. Losing his material wealth had freed him to find something far more valuable. True wisdom could be stolen by storms or lost to circumstance. He began teaching this revolutionary idea that happiness comes from within, not from external possessions. The shipwreck gave birth to Stoicism, the same philosophy that would guide Marcus Aurelius, influence modern entrepreneurs, and help millions build unshakable resilience. One man's worst day became humanity's greatest gift of mental strength.